Welcome to our channel. Today, we dive into the world of strategic financial management and investments. Strategic financial management and investments. Strategic financial management and investments. Hey everyone, I'm host's name. Have you ever wondered how strategic financial management can pave the way for a secure future? Well, you're in the right place. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting, understanding the nuances of strategic financial management is crucial for financial success. Strategic financial management isn't just about handling money, it's about making informed decisions that align with your goals. Take name, for example. By implementing effective financial strategies, she secured his/her future and achieved his/her dreams. Now, let's talk about smart investments. It's not about timing the market but about time in the market. Diversification is key. We'll explore how to spread your investments wisely to minimize risk and maximize returns. Joining me today is Expert's Name, a renowned financial analyst. Expert's Name. What are the fundamental principles one should consider in strategic financial management? That's fascinating. It's evident that strategic financial management isn't one size fits all. Remember, your financial future is in your hands. Start today and pave the way for a secure tomorrow. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more expert advice on strategic financial management and investments. Until next time, stay financially savvy.